Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2010 Hyundai Veracruz GLS, equipped with a 3.8 liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, as well as a power sliding sunroof, third row seating, cruise control, and much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this gray interior, paneling and storage on the bottom. Speakers all up above it with the power locks, mirrors, and windows. Here we're going to have this leather heated seats, driver adjustable lumbar here. And left side will be your vents and speakers up top with your lighting, and as well as your all-wheel drive lock. Left side of steering will be your your volume control and radio control, with the right side being your cruise. Here for the odometer, you can just switch through your trip as well as your fuel range, and as well as your time and eco index there. And onto infotainment. So you just have AM FM radio as well as Sirius XM, and as well as an MP3 sound system with CD and auxiliary. Below you're going to have the climate controls. Pretty straightforward, just dual zone with a little extra storage right there. And down below here, again, more storage pretty much everywhere. You get your USB port with auxiliary right just to the side. Heated seats with the shifter. You have the cup holders here and the double center console. There it is, the front button. And the passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable. Chrome accents all the way across. Speakers, vents up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps, and as well as your power sliding sunroof. So you're gonna have these 18-inch wheels on Michelin Defender LTX tires with A-match mirror caps and door handles, luggage side rail up top. And it comes to the back, dual exhaust with trailer hitch, and into the third row here. Seats fold down, you have extra storage down below, and on each side you're gonna have cup holders with vents up top and a 12-volt on the right side there. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto more of the rear interior, get more paneling and storage. Some power windows. To the second row, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear climate, as well as a 12-volt DC port. Oops, this one, and some extra storage. Cup holder and armrest right in the center with more storage. Again, you got the lamps at the top, as well as the handles on the side there. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2010 Hyundai Veracruz GLS, equipped with a 3.8 liter V6 engine, as well as cruise control, leather heated seats, power sliding sunroof, third row seating, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.